My name is Maria Savini, and I am the artist who created the Garvan Art line of sound-absorbing paintings. In this video, I want to show you this artwork that not only decorates the walls, but also improves the acoustics of spaces. In recent months, I have worked closely with company Garvan Acoustic to combine the beauty of art with the effectiveness of sound-absorbing materials. This painting is titled Soundcheck. This woman has a hint of a smile because, just as she listens to good music, the real observer will have the chance to listen to quality music thanks to the sound-absorbing panel that improves the acoustics of spaces. These paintings are perfectly suited for environments such as offices, meeting rooms, concert halls, and even home settings. This artwork is made on a polyester fiber panel with special treatments that maintain the sound-absorbing properties. I am proud to offer a unique solution that combines aesthetics with functionality. If you are interested in decorating your walls and improving the acoustics of your spaces, do not hesitate to contact us. See you in the next video.